Dysfunctional Vet, Master Gardener. The noise you hear are dogs. Alright, to do this planting of figs, you're going to need a real high quality cutting board such as this one, which is available on many different websites. Disclaimer, they don't all look the same, but they are handcrafted. You'll need a knife, your turkey figs, or whatever kind of dried figs you have, and a container with potting soil. Now this has previously had holes put into the bottom of it for the weeping of the moisture out of it. It's very wet, so we're not going to have to add much water to it. So let me show you the process. We're going to open our package of turkey figs, and we're going to remove one fig. And as you can see, these figs are nice and flat, and they're full of seeds. We're going to remove just a little bit of soil from this. We're going to tamp it down just a little bit, kind of make it level. What we're going to do is we're going to get the dirt off of it. We don't want to get any dirt on these seeds. We're going to make a very thin slice. I do about 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to go ahead and slice the rest of this because I'm getting ready to make a lateral incision across the top. And then I will cut all these pieces out. Down, down. Alright. Down. I have these pieces. I'll now break these into smaller units. In this case, I'm doing 3 of them. I now take these and I set them just right into the dirt like so. I push them under the dirt just a fraction of an inch. The rule of planting is you go 1/2 the diameter of the seed, and I would give these seeds a 32nd of an inch. And then I just barely put any soil over them, like so. And I'll be putting a piece of plastic over these so that I can both hold the moisture and heat in as well as monitor their growth. They'll be in my greenhouse, and I did a video on that. If I remember, I'll stick a link to it. It's a El Cheapo. It is a Harbor Freight, and basically it works pretty good. The only problem is I don't have a way to retain the heat in there, and although I have a heater for it, this year, having been so sick, I didn't grow anything, so I didn't put a heater in there for this year. But that's the process. Now you just have to wait for germination, and it seems to me that it took about 30 days. Dysfunctional Vet, Master Gardener, out. Dysfunctional Vet, Master Gardener. What we're getting ready to do is grow turkey figs from seed. You need a cutting board and a dog to help you. You need a cutting board, and these are available on many different websites. Move, dog. On many different websites. They're handcrafted, and disclaimer, not all of them will appear the same. You're going to need potting soil and a dog's foot on the thing, your dried figs, and a knife. Now let's go through the process.